Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Christmas time edition. Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is our Season's Greetings edition. Christmas time is upon us. You can see Mookie has her Mrs. Claus outfit on. I got a hat for her. The one side says naughty, the other one says nice. Leave in the comment section which side I should put on Mookie. I'm pretty sure I'm leaning towards naughty. I have a festive garment as well. I'll come around and show you. As you can see, I have hula reindeer. Alright, so this is our Christmas time episode. So I am going to make a festive tiki drink. This is actually a Christmas tiki cocktail. Watch yourself, Mookie. I'm getting it from Liquid Vacation, written by P. Moss, and he's the owner of Frankie's Tiki Room in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is called a Santa Aloha. So I actually have my tiki mug here, and I got this tiki mug from none other than Frankie's Tiki Room. Even the trident on this guy says Frankie's Tiki Room. So it just says build over ice, so I'm just gonna put some ice in this bad boy. Alright, and then the key ingredient here is this Griz 9 spice rum. It's nearly impossible to find in Canada. I actually got it at the largest liquor store in the northwestern United States in Missoula, Montana, and I did an episode showing that, so I'll put the link up. Check that out. So we're going to do a full ounce of Griz 9 spice rum. It calls for a ½ ounce of 151 rum. I'm using Lemon Heart today. So that's just a ½ ounce of 151. Stuff is strong. And a ½ ounce of Flarinum. This is actually non-alcoholic Flarinum. In the book Liquid Vacation, they give a recipe how to make your own Flarinum, and definitely alcohol in the one that they use in Frankie's Tiki Room. So that's a ½ ounce of Flarinum. And then we'll go a ½ ounce of cinnamon syrup. I made my cinnamon syrup with brown sugar, just a cup of brown sugar, a cup of water, and I added a whole cinnamon stick to it. A ½ ounce of white grapefruit juice. Two ounces of cranberry juice, and 2 ounces of OJ. And then I have a nice fresh pineapple and an umbrella as a garnish, and that is a Santa Aloha. So coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Check it out. All right, so I got some turkey wings. So we're gonna give it a little hit of Tony Sachere's. And we're just gonna wrap it in foil and bake it in the oven. Easy peasy. And then when it comes out, we'll hit it with a little sauce. Okay, so I'm doing my Xmas Poutine. So we got some crinkly garlic rosemary fries. And we're going to add the turkey. So this is great for leftovers. And if you want to even make it more Christmassy, you can add cranberry and stuff into this. I just have a ton of turkey I want to use up. All right. And then We got some cheese curds. And then, of course, nice brown gravy. Alright, so to go with my Xmas Poutine, I have some turkey wings. I just doused them with a little bit of hot sauce. And that's going to be my Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the Lake Season's Greetings Edition. So I got my turkey wings and my Xmas Poutine. So we need a drink. I'm gonna go with another Christmas Tiki drink from the book Liquid Vacation by P. Moss, owner of Frankie's Tiki Room in fantastic Las Vegas. And this is called a Rum Rum Rudolph. So both the Santa Aloha and the Rum Rum Rudolph call for 9-spice rum. First up, we'll get some ice into my cocktail shaker here. And 1 ounce of 9-spice rum. And then 1 ounce of 151 rum. The recipe calls for Curzan 151. I have Lemon Heart and Sun with 151 today. Okay, we'll do a dash of Angostura bitters. Two ounces of orange juice. A half ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. And a half ounce of the recipe called for Coco Lopez. I have Real Gourmet Cream of Coconut. Okay, it's very sticky. And we're gonna give that a shaky. And I actually have some crushed ice in my Tiki mug. And I have a nice garnish with an umbrella. And that, my friends, is a Rum Rum Rudolph to go with my turkey wings and my Xmas Poutine. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Season's Greetings Edition. Make sure you hit the notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.